Zero-grazing dairy farming is rapidly transforming the landscape of modern agriculture. If you're interested in maximizing milk production, ensuring animal welfare, and optimizing resource use, zero-grazing might be the perfect system for you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about zero-grazing dairy farming, from its definition and benefits to setting up your own zero-grazing unit. Whether you're a new farmer, a seasoned dairy producer, or simply curious about smart farming solutions, this is your ultimate resource. Let's start by understanding what zero grazing actually means. Unlike traditional dairy systems where cows graze freely in the fields, zero grazing is a management approach where dairy cattle are kept in a confined space and provided with fresh forage brought to them daily. This system is sometimes called cut and carry, because the feed is cut from the pastures and carried to the animals. By eliminating the need for cows to roam in search of food, zero grazing allows for greater control over nutrition, health, and productivity. But why is zero grazing gaining popularity, especially among smallholder and urban farmers? The answer lies in its efficiency and adaptability. With land becoming scarcer and urbanization on the rise, many farmers find it challenging to maintain large grazing fields. Zero grazing offers a solution, enabling high milk yields from limited space. It's an innovative response to the challenges of modern dairy farming, and it's the reason why so many are turning to smart agriculture hubs for advice and support. Let's dive into the core benefits of zero grazing dairy farming. First and foremost, it improves productivity. By controlling what your cows eat, you can tailor their diet to maximize milk production and quality. High-quality forage, supplemented with minerals and concentrates, ensures that cows receive balanced nutrition every day. This control can result in better body condition, increased milk yields, and improved reproductive performance. Secondly, zero grazing supports better animal health and welfare. Cows in zero grazing systems are less exposed to parasites, diseases, and injuries that are common in open pastures. Their environment can be kept cleaner and more sanitary, reducing the risk of mastitis, foot rot, and other common health issues. Regular monitoring is easier, and early intervention becomes possible, keeping your herd in peak condition. Another major benefit is land optimization. In areas where land is fragmented or expensive, zero grazing allows farmers to utilize small plots for forage cultivation while maintaining their animals in confined spaces. This makes dairy farming feasible even in peri-urban and urban settings. Farmers can grow high-yield fodder crops like Napier grass, lucerne, or maize on small parcels, ensuring a steady supply of nutritious feed year-round. Zero grazing is also environmentally friendly when properly managed. By controlling manure and urine, farmers can prevent nutrient runoff and pollution. Manure can be collected and composted to enrich soils or converted into biogas for energy, turning waste into valuable resources. Now, let's explore how to set up a zero grazing dairy farm. Success starts with good planning. The first step is to construct suitable housing for your cows. A zero grazing unit should provide shelter from rain, sun, and wind, and offer enough space for comfortable movement, feeding, and resting. Common designs include open-sided sheds with raised floors and proper drainage to keep the area dry. Remember, the welfare of your cows is paramount. Next, focus on forage production. Quality feed is the backbone of zero grazing. Choose high-yielding, nutritious fodder crops suited to your climate and soil conditions. Napier grass is a popular choice due to its rapid growth and high protein content. You can interplant it with legumes like desmodium to boost protein and fix nitrogen in the soil. It's important to plan your forage calendar, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh green feed throughout the year. Harvest the grass at the right stage, typically when it reaches 2 to 3 feet, to maintain optimal nutritional value. Water is another crucial element. Dairy cows need plenty of clean, fresh water every day to produce milk and stay healthy. Design your unit so that water is easily accessible at all times. Feeding management is the heart of zero grazing. Each cow should receive a balanced ration consisting mainly of chopped forage, supplemented with concentrates such as dairy meal, maize bran, or sunflower cake. Mixing in mineral salts ensures cows get all the nutrients they need. Feed should be offered at least twice a day and uneaten portions removed to prevent spoilage and waste. Manure management cannot be overlooked. Collect manure daily and store it in a designated pit or compost heap. Proper manure handling not only maintains hygiene, but also creates valuable organic fertilizer for your forage crops, closing the loop for a sustainable system. Zero grazing also requires diligent animal health care. Establish a routine for regular checkups, vaccinations, and disease monitoring. Keep records of each cow's health, milk production, and breeding cycles to make informed management decisions. Let's talk economics. Zero grazing does require initial investment in housing, forage establishment, and feed management systems. However, the returns are often worth it. Higher milk yields, better animal health, and efficient land use can significantly boost profitability over time. Many farmers report that with good management, zero grazing reduces costs associated with pasture management, increases milk sales, and provides opportunities for value additions such as manure sales or biogas production. However, zero grazing is not without challenges. The system demands commitment, labor, and technical know-how. Forage shortages can occur during droughts or when land is limited. Disease outbreaks can spread quickly in confined spaces if hygiene is not maintained. Feed costs can rise if you depend on purchased concentrates. That's why ongoing education, networking with smart agri hubs, and adopting innovative technologies is essential. To thrive, connect with local agricultural extension officers, join dairy farmer groups, and participate in training sessions. Smart agri hubs often provide resources, technical advice, and market linkages for zero grazing farmers. Consider integrating technology into your system. Simple tools like milk yield recording apps, automated feeders, and waterers can streamline management and boost efficiency. In conclusion, zero grazing dairy farming is a forward-thinking solution for modern agriculture. It's ideal for those with limited land or urban constraints, offering high productivity, better animal welfare, and sustainable practices. With careful planning, diligent management, and support from smart agri hubs, you can achieve remarkable success in dairy farming. If you're ready to embrace the future of dairy, zero grazing might just be your next big step. Remember, success starts with knowledge and commitment. Stay connected to smart agri resources, keep learning, and watch your dairy enterprise flourish. Whether you're starting small or scaling up, zero grazing puts you in control and opens doors to new opportunities. The future of dairy farming is here. Are you ready to make the leap? V.